Okay, so in right triangle this, let us say what is given to us. Okay, the aeroplane, jet plane, sorry, this is jet plane here. Jet plane at this B, I've taken it at B point here. At B and at B after 15 seconds flight. 15 seconds flight. Okay, and height of it is 1500 under root 3 meter. The height of the plane is 1500 meter. 1500 root 3 meter. Okay, this is the height of the plane, constant height. At the moment, initially it was at the same height. After 15 seconds flight, it is also at the same height. Okay, so then the angle of elevations is initially 60 degree, then it becomes 30 degree. So with the first triangle, let me write the solution here. To find what we will find here, to find the speed of the plane. To find the speed of the plane here. First we have to find the distance. Distance upon time is the speed. Distance is this actual distance is CE. That x we have to calculate. If x is known, then that upon 15 seconds is meter per second. The speed of the plane will be known then. Let us take the solution. Solution here. So in right triangle, in the right angle triangle, BAC here. So initially the plane was at B point. Okay, and from A point the observer is observing its its angle of elevation was 60 degree. So in this right triangle, BAC tan 60 degree is equal to BC upon AC. BC is 1500 root 3 height upon AC. AC we have taken as Y. This is not required, but it is to be subtracted from this X. Sorry, this X is to be calculated. Okay, so that we will find out. So 60 degrees, tan 60 is root 3. Root 3 is equal to 1500 root 3 upon Y, or Y is equal to 1500 root 3 upon root 3. Root 3 cancel out. This is 1500 only meter. So Y is 1500 meter. So Y is calculated. Let me write here. So the Y is 1500 meter. Actual value is calculated. Okay. Y is equal to 1500 meter only. This distance is initial. After initial distance from the observer to the foot of the height of the plane, vertical height of the plane. That foot of the plane is 1500 under root 1500 meter. The distance between the foot of the height of the plane and the observer, initial distance. Okay, now in right triangle, this bigger one. In a right angle triangle, which one? ADE, we have tan 30 degrees. Tan 30 is DE upon AE, B upon A, which will be, let me write here. Now DE is 1500 root same value upon A. A is x plus y, we have taken it as x plus y. This is x, we have taken as CE. A is AC plus, let me first side AC plus CE. That means 1500 root 3 upon AC is y plus x. Or tan root 3 is 1 upon root 3. Tan 30 degree is 1 upon root 3. So 15 root 3 divided by y plus x. Try to understand. This implies that y plus x is equal to root 3 into 1500 root 3. It will be root 3 into root 3. That means 3. 15 3 is 4500 meters total value. Therefore, x is to be calculated. X equal to 4500 minus y. This is 4500 minus y. Y is 1500 meter. This is equal to 3000 meter or 3000 meter. Alright, 3000 meter, the value has come out. Actual distance the plane has traveled is 3000 meter. Alright, therefore the speed of the plane is in 15 seconds is equal to distance traveled divided by time taken. Now distance traveled is 3000 meter divided by 15 seconds. This is equal to 3000 meter divided by 15 seconds. In 15 seconds it travels 3000 meters. 15 to the 30 to 200 meter per second. The speed is 200 meter per second. This is the answer here. The speed of the jet plane is 200 meter per second. In 1 second it moves 200 meters. This is the answer here. Okay. Question number 8 we have completed. Let me take question number 9. Question number 9 now. Question number 9. What does it say? Question number 9 is, let me check. Question number 9 and 10. The two questions are still left there. Okay. Now question number 9 says, a tower is 50 meter high, its shadow is x meter shorter when the sun's altitude is 45 degree than when it is 30 degree. Okay, meter 30 degree. Find x. Okay, correct to the nearest centimeter. Correct to the nearest centimeter. Now it says the sun's the shadow of a tower. Now it says, suppose this is the tower here. Now sun's position is, now it says a tower is 50 meter high. This is 50 meter high. The sun's height is not known to us. Let me take. This is the 50 meter high tower. A tower is 50 meter high. Its shadow is x meter shorter when the sun's altitude is 45 meter. Altitude is 45 meter for 45 degree. This is angle of elevation it may be. Altitude is 45 degree. Then when it is 30 degree, find x correct to the nearest. This is angle of elevation. Sun's altitude or sun's angle of elevation is 45 degree, and then when it's 30 degree. Okay, so it says the sun is at this degree, for example, then its shadow is this much. Shadow is, this is 45 degree angle of elevation of the sun. Okay, sun may be, the altitude of sun is here. This is the sun here. This sun here. Okay, then the sun may be there, and then the shadow becomes here. This is x meter shorter. X meter, okay, 50 meter high altitude. This shadow is x meter shorter when the sun's altitude is 45 degree. Then when it is 30 degree, so then the altitude is 30 degree altitude or angle of elevation. This is angle of elevation 30 degree. 30 degree. So, okay, all the points. What the point is, this sun moves towards this or maybe below. So here it was. Then it's initially the angle of elevation. This is altitude. And sun's altitude maybe altitude is because of the sun's height is moved. So now it shows the lower degree. So initially the sun is at 30 degree. So the shadow will be x meter higher. Okay, so this is x meter shorter. Now this is supposed by so what it say? Because at 30, when it is 30 degree, then the shadow becomes more larger shadow. X plus y it is. Okay, and this is towards the okay. A tower is 50 meter high. Its shadow is x meter shorter when the sun's altitude is 45 degree, undoubtedly. Because sun's altitude means sun's height is increasing, then shadow becomes, or when initially it was lower, sun was here, then 30 degree it was initially, then sun becomes here, then sun moves a bit higher, then it is this. Initially this was here. So this is the altitude of the sun. Sun's height increases, then shadow becomes shorter. This is x meter shorter. Okay, at 45 degree it was shorter. At 30 degree it is x meter higher. And okay, all right, now this is the, we have to find out what is the x value. To find the, then what is okay, then when it is 30 degree, find x correct to the nearest centimeter. So it may be in centimeter. It's meter and in centimeter it says nearest centimeter. Let us now find out. This is 50 meter altitude of the, this is building here 50 meter high. At tower is 50 meter high. Okay, shadow becomes x meter shorter than this one. So this x meter we have to find out that how much shorter the shadow of the building is when its altitude the sun is from 30 degree to 45 degree. It's okay. That is the point solution. What is given to us. So let me write here given. So we are given here. This is given here. The height of the building that we take AB is the building. AB is equal to 50 meter. Height of the building. This is height of the building. We are given. Angle B, let me take here D, and this is E here. So angle BD, or this is C here, this is C, D. So BC, BCA, angle BCA, angle of elevation of the sun. Sun's altitude was lower, then it was making 45 degree. At 45 degree when it is, then height, then shadow of this is y. So BCA is equal to 45 degrees. And angle BDA is equal to 30 degrees. What the point? So x is this, x meter shorter. BC is equal to x meter, or is x meter. Find x meter. This is x meter here. X meter, and dA is equal to x plus y. We can say dA equal to, let me write in terms of this, dc plus ca is equal to x plus y. So we have to find out what is the x here. X, find here x equal to what? Of correct centimeter or whatever it comes out to be. Solution. Now find the solution here. The solution is, now in right triangle, this BCA, we have tan 45 degree equal to VA upon CA. This is 50 meter height of the building BA, and CA is Y. We have taken tan 45 degree is 1, so 1 equal to 50 upon Y, or Y is equal to 50 here. So Y has also come out as 50 meter. Now in the right angle triangle BDA, this is BDA, we have tan 30 degree equal to AB or BA upon DA. This is 50 upon, which is 50 upon, right, 50 upon, this is x plus y. So guys, I'll take off the 5 minutes time, this 5 minutes time here. Yes guys, so we are doing, let me complete the question number. 50 upon x plus y, this is 50 upon x plus y. Okay, so tan 30 degree is 1.3 equal to 50 upon x plus y here. So therefore x we have to find out now. This x will be, let me solve it here. Y is 50 already we have calculated. So 1.3 is equal to 50 upon x plus y. Okay, this implies that x plus y is equal to 50 root 3. Therefore x equal to 50 root 3 minus y. Y is 50 meter, this is 50 root 3 minus 50 only. So y is 50 here, y is 50 on first equation. This is first equation here. Now this is second. We have substituted from first equation the second equation, the value of this. Therefore y is, actual value of y is therefore is 50 into root 3 minus 1. If I just find out 50 into root 3 value is 1.732 minus 1, this is 50 into 0.732 only. Okay, 1 cancel out. It will be 0, 5 to the 10, 0, 1 carry, 5 to the 16, 1 carry, 5 to the 35, 136. It is 36.6 meter. It is 36.6 meter. This is the answer here. 36.6 meter is the answer. Actual value of x meter, x equal to this. Okay, this is the final answer. 36.6 meter, not in centimeter, but it is in 36.6. 6 is here. We can multiply this by 100, so it will be 6 centimeter here. Okay, 36.6 meter. All right, this is the answer. Finally, now let me take question number 10. 10th question. The question number 10 here. Let me just calculate that. Question number 10 is now. 10 says the shadow of a tower standing on the level ground is found to be 45 meters longer when sun's altitude is 30 degree. Yeah, when it was at 60 degree. Find the height of the tower. To find the height of the tower, we have to find out again. Altitude is this, and this is 60 degree. This height of the tower is to be calculated. Now this is 30 degree, sun's altitude. Initially it is 60 degree. What is the shorter here. It says the shadow of a tower is standing on a level ground is found to be 45 meters longer. It is 45 meters longer. Now this x is given 45 meters. This x suppose is to be calculated. This is h height. So we have to find out here 30 meter, 30 degree. Then when it was 60 degree. Now find the height of the tower. We say the shadow of the tower is standing on the level ground is found to be 45 meters longer when sun's altitude is 30 degree, alright. Then when it was 60 degree. This 45 meters is longer than at x. This is the height that we did given. Given to us. Given here, this is AB, C, D. Now AB is the height of the tower, distance, okay, level ground, short of the tower, this is tower. AB is the, AB equal to H, the height of the tower. Height of the tower. Height of the tower. Okay, which we have to be calculated. Which is to be calculated. Which is to be calculated. Now we are given here, and DC is equal to 45 meters. Okay, and DA is equal to 45 plus x meter. We are given here. For this DC we are taking DC plus, this is DC plus CA, that is 45 plus CA is x we have taken, this much meter. Okay, this is the value of DA. What we will find out to find here the tower's height, to find H. It's not in right triangle solution. We have to find out. In a right triangle A, B, C, we have tan 60 degree. Tan 60 degree is equal to BA upon AC or CA is equal to H upon X. Tan 60 degree is root 3 equal to H upon X. Simplify H equal to X root 3. H is X root 3. This we are given. Okay, this is first equation. Now, in a right angle triangle, which one? BDA, we have tan 30 degree is equal to BA upon DA. BA is H upon DA is 45 plus X. Tan 30 degree is 1.3. 1.3 equal to H upon 45 plus X. So this means we have obtained here now 1.3 is equal to H upon 45 plus X we have calculated, therefore 45 plus X equal to root 3 into H. X if I substitute in terms of H, X in terms of H if I calculate. Okay, so from this first equation, now in this equation we have got 45 plus X equal to under root 3H. X equal to from this H upon root 3. 45 plus H upon root 3. X equal to X equal to H upon root 3. So this from first equation. In second one we have substituted the value of X here. X is H upon root 3, which is equal to root 3H. Okay, so if I just take root 3, LCM root 3, 45 root 3 plus H equal to 3H. 45 root 3 We have cross multiplied, taking LCM, root 3 will come here, root 3 into h, it will be root 3 into root 3h is 3h, which is 3h minus h, this is 2h, therefore h equal to, finally h is, therefore h is equal to 45 root 3 upon 2. So this is the actual value here. That means this is 22.5, 22 to the 44 and this 45 root 3. We can multiply this root 3, 1.73. That we multiply 3 5 is 15, 5 1 carry. Okay, 3 5 is 15, 1 carry, 3 to the 6, 7 7 5 is 35. And you have 6, 41, 41 and 42. 4 carry, 3 to the 6, 5 1 5, 6, 11, 11, 25, 25 plus 4, 29. Okay, 2 carry. Then 7 to the 14 and 16, 16 and 2, 18, 8 1 carry. Then 2 and 2, 2 and 1, 3, which is 397, 389. Okay, after point 2, let me again calculate. Calculate 15, 5, 1 carry, calculate 10, and 7 5 30. Sorry, 3 to the 6, 3 to the 6, 7 5 35, 6 and 11, 41, 42, 4 carry. Then 3 to the 6 and 5, 11, 7 to 14, 11, 25, 14, 11, 25 plus 1 plus 4, 40, 29, 9, 2 carry. Then 7 to the 14 and 2, 16, 98, 1 carry. Okay, then 2 and 2, 2 and 1, 3, 389.25 meter. This is the x value here. We have to find out what is the shadow of the tower is this. When it was this, find the height of the tower, h equal to this, h equal to this value. 45 root 3 upon 2 is coming something 22.5, sorry, this 0.5.3 after 38.3. This is now okay. This is equal to 38.925. This is the answer, actual answer. I will just